Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make keto cauliflower mac and cheese. Instead of using the pasta, you're going to use cauliflower instead. That's much more healthier. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your cauliflower mac and cheese so delicious. And I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right, and don't forget also to please click the notification bell so you guys would know when I upload another video. All right guys, and you can follow me on social media. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And also I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Pretty please, I would really appreciate it. Alright, so let me just show you how to make this delicious cauliflower mac and cheese. Enjoy guys, enjoy. Good evening guys. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make keto cauliflower mac and cheese. So here's my ingredients. Over here I have some frozen cauliflower, I have some mozzarella cheese, cream cheese cubes, chili powder, black pepper, and onion powder. Over here I have some more grated cheese. I have two types of mustard, regular mustard and mustard hot sauce. Over here I have some butter, grated onion and garlic. Over here I have some frozen heavy cream, and I have my guar gum. So let's get started guys. So the first thing I'm going to do guys, I have a pot of water there. So I'm going to pour in some salt. And you're going to pour in your cauliflower. And you're going to let this boil. Just give it a stir. And you're going to let this boil for about 8 minutes. So guys, my cauliflower finished boiling. So I'm going to pour it out in the sink now and strain it out. So guys, now we're gonna make our cheese sauce for our cauliflower. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some butter into my pan here. So the butter finished melting. So I'm gonna put in some grated onion, garlic and ginger. That's a nice stir. Let's fry this up for about 2 minutes. We'll be back. So my onion, my garlic, ginger finished frying up. So I'm gonna pour in my heavy cream. I have it in the freezer. And give it a nice stir. Also, I'm going to put in my cream cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Some of my anchor cheese. Also, I'm going to put in my regular mustard and my mustard hot sauce. I have some black pepper, onion powder, chili powder, and some chicken cubes. And you're going to give this a nice stir. Make sure everything combines and melts together, just like this. When I finish melting, we'll be back. Alright guys, so off camera I put one more cube inside. So this is how my cheese sauce is looking here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in my cauliflower. mix it up into the cheese sauce, just like this. To give it a little thickness, I'm going to pour in my Guar Gum. I'm just going to put like half of a teaspoon. I'm going to give it a stir. The Guar Gum, I'm going to make it thick and nice. Perfect. So I'm going to turn off my stove now, and I'm going to show you guys the next step. So over here, guys, so we have our foil pan there. So you're going to just put a little butter all around it, just like this. And I'm going to pour some of my cauliflower inside. And then you're going to pour some cheese, some more cheese. It's going to be so cheesy, guys. So cheesy. Also have some mozzarella. Just break it up and put it all over, just like this. Now we're going to pour the balance on top of it. It smells so good. So you can just spread it out like this. And you're gonna pour. Then you're gonna put some more cheese on top, just like this. And then you're gonna put it in the oven to bake for about 50 minutes or so. I will use cauliflower. I'm gonna eat this with some nice barbecue pork. This is gonna be so good, guys. So good. So I have some more mozzarella cheese here. I'm just gonna break up the mozzarella cheese and put them all over. Perfect. Alright, see you guys in 50 minutes when the cauliflower mac and cheese finish baking. Hi guys, so my cauliflower mac and cheese is all done. It smells so good. So good. So I'm going to cut a piece and taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the end results for my Keto Cauliflower Mac and Cheese. So this is it over here. So I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. I'm going to be eating it with some pork. So guys, look how this is so cheesy. Here you go, guys. This is the first time I'm eating this cauliflower mac and cheese too. This is really good, guys. I'm eating it also with some barbecue pork. It's really good. So if you reach the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys try the recipe. All my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright guys, so take care and have a blessed night. Bye guys.